Hello, Namaste all. This is Dr. Mansi, and today we'll be talking about Edithcolia grandis, which is a very unique plant. Let's just check out. So this is Edithcolia grandis, and about the country. So this is the plant from Africa, but it has naturalized in many parts of India. It is a very low maintenance plant, we can say, as it is a succulent or xerotypic plant. Regarding the morphological characters, you can see that these are all the green stems. A very leafless plant, not even a single leaf is seen on this plant. All the stems, if you can see, they are 4 to 5 angled, very prickly stems. You can see prick like tubercles all over the stems, very pointed angles. And these are decumbent stems. You can see they are trailing down and then again moving upwards. Now about the flower. This is the flower, very unique flower with velvety feel, and the common name is Persian carpet flower. Just have a look on this velvety unique flower, so beautiful, and see the center of the flower. This is the center of the flower. If at all you can see the petals are pointed. So the pointed petals, and edges of the petals, one can see the fine hairs at the edges. These are the fine hairs all over. Very unique feature, very unique feature. Lovely flower. So this flower has bloomed for the 4th time, and if we have to observe the previous flowers, so this is the one which has fallen off, here is the second one and the third one, and this one is the 4th one. Now this is only a 1-day flower. The second day it will just close, all the petals will close. Regarding the soil mix, now as it comes in the succulent family, the soil mix is the cactus mix which I have used. So it contains 50% of sand. Very well drained soil mixture or potting mixture is required for this. Now how it grows by cuttings also. When I bought it from the nursery, it was just so small plant which I bought, and it was in the nursery pot for around 7 to 8 months. Then I shifted to a somewhat bigger pot where it grew, and this is the 3rd pot which I have shifted to in the ceramic pot with a very big drainage hole, and I have used the potting soil in the now this potting soil, if you can see, it's really very dry, but this is the soil, no waterlogging is good for this plant. The succulent plants do not like waterlogging. And the water, regarding the watering, I water once in 2 days, very well drained. And about the light factor, it requires bright light, but sometimes harsh light will burn. One can see the burnt parts of the stem. So I need to take care. So I have to shift the plant to the shaded area, let it receive the morning hour sunlight, but not the harsh sunlight of the afternoon. So this is the care which is to be taken, and I think it is a very low maintenance plant. So this is the plant, one of its kind, the uniqueness, just superb Persian carpet flower which I have in my collection, and I think all the plant lovers can have this in their collection. So Persian carpet flower. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up share and subscribe to my channel. Namaste.